Question 1. Which section of the BNSS deals with the case diary? C 192. 192 में है case diary. Question number 2. What is the meaning of the police diary under the BNSS? Proceedings in investigation under section 192. जो पुलिस जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन में जो है वो डे बाय डे अपना इन्वेस्टिगेशन का ब्यौरा लिखती है, वही केस डायरी में रहता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. मेंटेनेंस ऑफ ए केस डायरी बाय इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर इज मैंडेटरी. केस डायरी मेंटेन करना मैंडेटरी है. सेक्शन 192 of the BNSS requires that statements of witnesses recorded during the course of investigation under section 180 shall be inserted in the case diary. 180 में जो विटनेस का जो स्टेटमेंट है वो केस डायरी में लिखा जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. पुलिस रिपोर्ट इज रिपोर्ट फॉरवर्डेड बाय ए पुलिस ऑफिसर टू ए मजिस्ट्रेट अंडर विच सेक्शन? ए 193. 193 में जो पुलिस रिपोर्ट है वो सबमिट किया जाता है मजिस्ट्रेट को. On completion of investigation, the officer in charge of a police station shall forward the police report under section 193 का 3 of the BNSS to magistrate empowered to take cognizance of the offense. जो magistrate empowered है cognizance take करने के लिए उसको 193 का 3 of BNSS में केस डायरी को फॉरवर्ड किया जाता है. A charge sheet filed under section 193 of the BNSS is an example of public document. A charge sheet filed under the section of 193 of the BNSS is example of public document. Every investigation is required to be completed without unnecessary delay. Under section 193, choose the most appropriate statement. The magistrate frames charge after filing of the police report. The magistrate frame charge after filing of the police report. After completion of investigation, the police is to submit final report to magistrate. The magistrate is not bound by the conclusions drawn by the police and may order further investigation. May issue a process against the accused person. Magistrate इस दोनों में से कुछ भी कर सकता है. Which one of the following provisions of the BNSS provide that investigation relating to the offence under section 4, 6, 8, 10 of the protection of POSCO 2012 shall be completed within 2 months from the date on which information was recorded by the officer in charge of the police station. POSCO का जो केस है उसको 193 के 2 के तहत 2 मंथ्स के अंदर POSCO में 2 मंथ्स के अंदर चार्ज शीट को सबमिट करना है. बाकी सब में 60 डेज है, एक 90 डेज है, लेकिन POSCO में 2 मंथ्स है, यानी 60 डेज ही हुआ. The investigation in relation to an offence under section 64, 65, 66 BNS and offence under POSCO Act shall be completed from the date on which the information was recorded by the officer in charge of the police station within 2 months. 2 मंथ के अंदर जमा करना है. Under section 193.3 provides that when an investigation is completed, the officer in charge of the police station shall forward to the magistrate empowered to take cognizance of the a report in the form state government में specify a report in the form of electronic communication. दोनों में से कोई भी रिपोर्ट को सबमिट कर देना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. As soon as the investigation is complete, the officer in charge of the police station shall forward to the magistrate empowered to take cognizance of the offence on a police report, a report containing which of the following? All of the above. Name of the parties, whether the accused has been arrested or not, sequence of custody in case of electronic device. Question number 14. According to section 193 का 2 of the BNSS, the police officer shall within a period of how many days inform the progress of investigation to informant or victim? 90 days. Which section of the BNSS impose a duty upon the investigating officer to submit such number of copies of police officer along with other documents magistrate as required under the section 230 193 का 8. According to proviso to section 173(8), the supply of report and other documents by electronic communication shall be considered as duly served. फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन 193 के 9 में बीएनएसएस डील्स विथ फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. आगे भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन 193 के 9 में फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. डज द पुलिस हैव पावर टू री इन्वेस्टिगेट इनटू ए क्राइम इन विच चार्जशीट हैज ऑलरेडी बीन फाइल्ड इनटू द केस? नो. चार्जशीट फाइल कर दिया गया तो मजिस्ट्रेट के ऑर्डर से ही आगे इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो जाएगा. फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन विद इन द मीनिंग ऑफ 193(9) of the BNSS is continuation of the earlier investigation. 4. The SHO of a police station is conducting investigation of a murder case. The custody period of 90 days of one accused is coming to an end, but the investigation is not complete. The investigating officer may file partial charge sheet while keeping investigation pending under C. पार्शियल चार्ज शीट सबमिट कर देगा और इन्वेस्टिगेशन को फर्दर प्रोसीड करते रहेगा, फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन चलते रहेगा. एडिशनल चालान इन ए केस इज allowed on evidence found in additional investigation. एडिशनल चालान जो है वो एडिशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन में होता है. Which of the following statement is not true? ये वाला ही नोट ट्रू है. No further investigation can be conducted in respect of offence after forwarding a police report to the magistrate. पुलिस रिपोर्ट को एक कॉपी जमा करने के बाद फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन भी किया जा सकता है. Further investigation during the trial may be permitted with the permission of court trying the case, and the same shall be completed within a period of dash days, which may extend to the permission of the court 90 days. 90 days का permission extension हो सकता है. Where it is provided a further investigation during the trial may be permitted with the permission of the court trying the case, and the same shall be completed within a period of 90 days, which may extend with the permission of proviso of 193 का 9. Which section of the BNSS applies when the officer in charge of a police station receives information that a person has committed suicide? 194. Section 194. What happens when any officer in charge of a police station receives an information that a person has committed a suicide? Informs the nearest executive magistrate about the incident as per section 194 के तहत कोई सुसाइड कर लिया है तो पुलिस को इन्फॉर्म करेंगे. When तीसरा में when the officer in charge of a police station receives information that a person is committed suicide, he will immediately report to executive magistrate. अगर किसी को पता चलेगा कोई सुसाइड कर दिया है तो वो एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट को इमीडिएटली रिपोर्ट करेगा. एज पर प्रोविजन ऑफ बीएनएसएस हु इज एम्पावर्ड टू होल्ड इंक्वेस्ट. कौन इंक्वेस्ट रिपोर्ट इंक्वेस्ट कौन करेगा? एग्जीक्यूटिव मजिस्ट्रेट. 5वां एन इंक्वेस्ट रिपोर्ट मस्ट कंटेन द अपेरेंट कॉज ऑफ डेथ. कॉज ऑफ क्यों मर गया ये इंक्वेस्ट रिपोर्ट में लिखा जाना चाहिए. हाउ ही डाइड. What is the primary object of inquest report under section 194? 194 में है inquest report. तो इसका primary objective क्या है? To know the apparent cause of death. Under section 194(2), the inquest report will be forwarded to district magistrate or sub-divisional magistrate. Under section 194 का 2, the inquest report will be forwarded to 24 घंटा के अंदर में inquest report को forward करेगा. Which section empowers the police officer proceeding under 194 to summon persons? 194. 195. Under section 195, who cannot be summoned? D. All of them. No male person under 15 years. 15 से 59 तक को समन कर सकते हैं वुमन और मेंटली पर्सन, और एक्यूट इलनेस के साथ समन नहीं कर सकते. Under which section of the BNSS a magistrate has power to inquire into cause of death? Section 199. Inquest report. An inquiry into the cause of death must be held in case where the death has occurred before the person arrested could be produced before a magistrate by judicial magistrate in addition to inquiry by the police. Where the person dies or disappears or woman is raped while such person or woman is in custody of police authorized by magistrate, an inquiry in addition to inquiry or investigation held by the police shall be held by judicial magistrate within whose local jurisdiction the offense has been committed. अगर किसी पुलिस वाले के कस्टडी के अंदर किसी का रेप हो गया या देहांत हो गया तो पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन के अलावा मजिस्ट्रेट भी एक इंक्वायरी करेगा. Which one of the following is correctly matched? A. Information in the cognizable case 173. Thank you.